one of you to the Civil Engineering Department Degree Distribution Program at IIT Madras. I am Dr. Mohana Krishnan Logan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, and I am honored to serve as the Master of Ceremonies for this memorable occasion. I request our Head of the Department, Professor Saravanan, and the former Head of the Department, Professor Benny Raphael, to accompany our Chief Guest, Dr. Nagaraja Rao Harshadeep, to the dais. Today marks far more than the conferral of degrees. It is a celebration of perseverance, intellectual curiosity, resilience and excellence, and the successful culmination of years of rigorous learning, meaningful discovery and personal growth. For our graduates, this is a defining milestone, a moment to take pride in your accomplishments, to acknowledge with gratitude the support that has shaped your journey, and to look ahead with confidence as you embrace the opportunities and responsibilities that lie ahead. As we gather to celebrate this memorable occasion, let us also reaffirm the enduring values that define IIT Madras, the excellence in scholarship, integrity in character, innovation in thought, and a steadfast commitment to the service to society. May these ideals continue to guide and inspire our graduates to lead with purpose, serve with humility, and make meaningful contribution to their professions, their communities, and the world. To commence the proceedings, may I request the audience to kindly rise for the invocation, comprising the rendition of Tamil Thai Valthu, followed by Vande Mataram.
திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्नां पुलकितयामिनी कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिनी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् कोटि कोटि कण्ठ कल कल निनाद करले भुजै धृत खर करवाले अबला के नुमारत बोले तुम्हि मर्मा त्वं हि प्राणाः शरीरे बाहुते तुम्हि मा शक्ति हृदये तुम्हि मा भक्ति तुम्हारी प्रतिमा गढ़ी मंदिरे मंदिरे वंदे मातरम् त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी कमला कमलदल विहारिणी वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमला ममला अतुला सुजला सुफला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् श्यामलां सरलां सुस्मितां भूषितां धरणीं भरणीं मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Thank you all. Please be seated. Now I request Professor Saravanan, Head of the Civil Engineering Department, to present the annual report with us.
Welcome everyone. Respected Chief Guest, graduates, faculty colleagues and friends. On behalf of the Department of Civil Engineering, I extend a warm welcome to the graduates and a special invitation to the proud parents, relatives and friends of graduates. I welcome all the invitees including faculty colleagues, staff, students and research scholars. Today we are celebrating the awarding of 131 B.Tech, 17 dual degree, 113 M.Tech and 10 MS and 70 PhD degrees. This year marks a proud milestone for our department as we record the highest number of PhD degrees ever awarded in this history. Our department is the third largest institute in terms of faculty and student strength. Presently, we have 1,061 students with 65 full-time faculty. Our department is organized into 6 research groups: building technology, construction materials and management, environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics and water resources engineering, structural engineering and transportation engineering. We have in this academic year partnered with 4 international universities to launch a new joint MSc program on water security and global challenge. We are delighted to share that the Civil Engineering Department at IIT Madras is ranked 46th in the QS World University Rankings by subject for 2026. These are our faculty members. I am glad that 4 new faculty members joined our department during this academic year. We have 4 distinguished professors from around the world who actively contribute to the department with their unique expertise and skills. We have 5 professors of practice and 18 adjunct faculty members who bring enormous experiential and practical knowledge to our teaching and research. I extend my gratitude to the 20 staff members who are giving their best support to the department. 8 of our distinguished senior faculty members have been honored with the prestigious chair professorship. We are also proud to share that 6 of our dedicated faculty members are actively contributing to the institute the key administrative roles such as deans and chairpersons. Our faculty have been consistently winning various awards and recognitions from around the world. Our students make us proud with their wonderful achievements, receiving institute awards and recognition from academic community worldwide. Additionally, our students enthusiastically participate in leadership roles within the institute student bodies. We are proud that our alumnus, Professor Anand J. Pupawalla, Chair Professor at Texas A&M University, has won the Distinguished Alumnus Award for 2026. During the 25-26 academic year, our faculty and scholars have been highly active in publishing in leading journals. We have also continued to produce valuable intellectual property as in previous years. Additionally, we secured competitive sponsored research funding from government and industry partners totaling to rupees 87 crores. Civil Engineering Department has been engaged in some of the most exciting research in recent times. The Building Technology and Construction Management Group pursues excellence in building technology, building science, materials, and construction management driven by a vision of zero carbon and zero waste construction. Its 15 faculty and the TLC2 Center of Excellence, the group works alongside many industry partners to tackle real-world challenges. Environmental Engineering Division conducts research, consultancy, and audits on textile wastewater treatment and treatment plants. It manages facilities for supporting atmospheric research. The division has patented technologies. The Zero Carbon Challenge competition promotes innovation in this area. Our geotechnical group is pioneering gas hydrate research for energy extraction to advancing crack growth simulation layered rock media. We take immense pride in our commitment to national safety, exemplified by our comprehensive seismic and flood hazard assessment for critical dam infrastructure across Maharashtra. SWRE faculty inaugurated a new rooftop plant growth facility of about 500 square meters with a weather station, automated irrigation, soil moisture, staff flow sensors, and thermal imaging to monitor draft. To tackle floods in Chennai, the faculty collaborated with state governments to plan, set up, and operationalize a real-time flood forecasting and special decision support systems for the city. Further, Resilient Hydro Twin, a collaborative Indo-Dutch research project for managing the urban flooding and water-related disasters in metropolitan areas such as Chennai, has been undertaken by them. I am delighted to share that through the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways funding, a unique full-scale bridge testing facility is being set up at our Discovery campus. The recent addition of blast and impact testing facilities are addressing modern resilience challenges. Complementing our experimental infrastructure, we leverage supercomputer-based models to simulate seismic wave propagation. Our transportation research is redefining mobility across freight, logistics, electric, and autonomous vehicles. The Lognidhi lab uses machine learning to optimize urban delivery and dark store planning, while delivering simultaneous simulators and AI analytics from traffic cameras to enhance safety and accelerate the electrical vehicle transition. Complementing this, the Payment Engineering Laboratory leads the nation efforts for payment recycling. This year, our open house attracted more than 1,000 visitors. Our department received the recognition of being the best departmental stall in the Institute open house. CA activities continued as usual. I conclude by acknowledging the significant contributions by all faculty, staff members, students, scholars, and a host of project staff members. I wish all the graduates a professionally enriching career. I wish them all the best to take off successfully to start their new journey in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Saravanan, for giving an overview of the departmental activities for the year 2025 to 26. Now, it is my pleasure and privilege to welcome our chief guest of the day, Dr. Nagaraja Rao Harshdeep, Lead Environmental Specialist, Global Environment Department, the World Bank. Dr. Nagaraj Rao Harshdeep, an esteemed alumnus of IIT Madras, has made an exceptional impact on global sustainable development through a career spanning more than 3 decades, at the intersection of environmental engineering, water resources, digital innovation, and artificial intelligence. His pioneering contributions have transformed the way governments and international development organizations harness emerging technologies to address some of the world's most pressing environmental and climate challenges. Since joining the World Bank in 1996, Dr. Harshdeep has provided visionary leadership in environmental management, water resources planning, watershed management, climate resilience, biodiversity conservation, pollution management, and digital transformation across more than 60 countries spanning Asia, Africa, Europe, the Middle East, and Latin America. As global lead for disruptive technology and AI champion for the Planet Vertical, he has championed the integration of artificial intelligence, geospatial analytics, cloud computing, and advanced decision support systems into development operations, fundamentally reshaping knowledge management and evidence-based policy making. He has led landmark initiatives in transboundary river basin management, climate resilience, watershed restoration, biodiversity data analytics, and pollution management, while developing innovative geospatial platforms, AI-powered analytical tools, and digital knowledge systems that have strengthened environmental governance worldwide. A graduate of IIT Madras with master's and doctoral degree from Harvard University, is pioneering research in environmental systems, optimization, and integrated water resources management, laid the foundation for a career dedicated to advancing sustainable development through science and technology. Beyond his technical and professional accomplishments, Dr. Harshdeep has been a passionate advocate for innovation, capacity building, and knowledge dissemination. He has led global learning initiatives, developed interactive digital knowledge platforms and e-learning resources, contributed extensively to international publications and conferences, and served on numerous global technology and scientific advisory groups, including NASA review panels and the Group on Earth Observations Global Water Sustainability Initiative. His leadership has earned multiple recognitions, including the World Bank Excellence in Leadership Award, reflecting his enduring commitment to advancing technology-driven sustainable development. Dr. Harshdeep's remarkable career exemplifies the transformative power of engineering excellence, interdisciplinary innovation, and global public service. Through his visionary leadership in environmental sustainability, digital technologies, and artificial intelligence, he has helped shape development solutions that improve lives and strengthen resilience across the world. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to environment and water resource engineering, sustainable development, digital innovation, and global public service, the Indian Institute of Technology Madras has conferred upon Dr. Nagaraja Rao Harshdeep with a Distinguished Alumni Award for the year 2022. Now I request our chief guest, Dr. Nagaraja Rao Harshdeep, to deliver his presidential address for us.
Thank you. It's great to be back on campus. It brings back a lot of memories because I think the first time I came here was when we joined 42 years ago, not just an important number for Douglas Adams. So I think one of the things that we, days like this, help us do is to think back on our own origin stories, right? So think back on yours. I'll tell you in 1 minute what was mine, right? So I had also, like you, graduated from high school and had applied and got into both IIT as well as, there were only two possibilities in those days for good students. You either did engineering or medicine. And I got into both and I didn't know which one to join, right? So then went to visit my grandparents in Mysore, and my grandmother came back one day in that week when I had to make the decision. And she said, I consulted an astrologer and he said, you would be a doctor. So that's all the input I required to say, no, I'll be an engineer. So then went into engineering. Then many years later, she passed away, and my parents came for my graduation, and my mother said, see, she was right, you became a doctor because I got a PhD. So you can't beat these things too easily. So one of the things that it also brings back is the role that IIT had in everyone's life. You may not realize it now, but the people who you're sitting with are probably going to be some of your best friends for life, right? So this is something that we often say in terms of this place shapes you, because we all come in here first time away from family, first time trying to learn a new place, and being thrown into the deep end of the pool, although our pool never had water when we were here. We also were trying to explore ways in which we could volunteer to do all kinds of things, from being editor of a magazine or professional show coordinator or organizing some Speak-Make concerts or internal publicity or Mardi Gras, whatever you call it nowadays, those kinds of events and so on. And all of these, I think, build you as a person. All of these are ways in which you'll figure out how to work with other people, how to keep innovating in all of the work that you're doing, and also how you can think about using everything you know and having an attitude where you both love technology because you're in an institute of technology, as well as you're in a way trying to help other people. It's something that you inculcate in yourself over time over here. And I suggest try not to lose it when you're trying to figure out what to do in the rest of your life. I'm still trying to figure out what to do in the rest of my life, for example. And one of the things that this also teaches you is the way in which you can think about making a difference, right? And since you're all in civil engineering, at one point in time, it used to be the engineering. In fact, people like Vishweshwaraya, who we heard about this morning, used to be called the engineer. So, and a lot of the departments used to be mainly civil engineering departments. And then there were diversification of many different types. But the one nice thing is it's not just the different departments we just heard about in terms of structures and transportation and hydrology, water resources and environment and geotechnical and construction and buildings and so on. It's also the fact that civil helps you integrate information from different places, and it becomes a way of seeing the world as something where you're helping contribute towards its redesign, towards its being able to provide services for both people and the planet, right? And that's something which becomes something that's key to a lot of the work that everyone will need to do more and more on sustainability and other aspects. And one of the things that, in civil that we also, in those days, we didn't do that much, but now increasingly we are doing more and more, is integrating technology into this. So at the bank, for example, we think about technology in three ways. One is technology that helps us reimagine the data value chain. So new ways to collect data from sensors on the ground or Earth observation, new ways to analyze them, and new ways to be able to help move up the chain from data to information to knowledge to decision support for both planning and real-time decisions. In addition to the software side of technology, there's a lot on the hardware side as well, which is robotics, new materials, energy technology, or agricultural technologies and environmental technologies and so on, which also then complement the software side of things. And a third grouping, which is more about platforms than the technology, which is how to connect people up together in terms of new ways of learning online, connecting online, using digital money, using new ways of thinking about it. So all of these are disrupting everything we are doing, and AI is disrupting even these disruptive technologies. So one of the interesting challenges that you will have as you go in the future is to think about not only having an apprehension of all of these new technologies taking your jobs in the future, for example, but also to think about how you can use these technologies to do the work of 10 people at once, which is probably going to be the case for many more years to come, because the scale of the challenges we have in front of us is so much, because there's 2-3 billion hectares of land that's degraded. There's a billion people who don't have access to safe water, 2 billion people without access to good sanitation. There's a lot of issues in terms of biodiversity loss, and a lot of the people everywhere still really don't get access to early warning systems for droughts and floods and so on. And there's a lot you can do with the knowledge that you have, collected over the years. And this is where I think it's important for you to think about, as you think about what to do in the future, think about not only the great power that you have with the skills that you have, but also, as Uncle Ben would say, the great responsibility you have, in the sense of trying to use your skills for good, right? So to try and think about what kinds of difference you can make on these big challenges. Can we think about getting 24/7 water supply in some cities in India to begin with? Can we think about trying to make sure that everyone who is affected by floods get warned about it in advance? Can we think about new ways to manage water resources or environmental resources in a better way? And all of these are in your hands. In fact, life, universe, everything. There's a lot of things that you can do with a lot of the skills that you've learned, even though you may not realize it yet. One of the things we learned when we were here is this attitude of, not giving up easily, and also trying to think that nothing is beyond you, right? So the power of what we used to call in those days, maybe it still survived all these years, the phrase we used was LMDM, which was last minute despo mug. That always helped in any exam, for example, to be able to quickly learn about things and come up to speed. And today, in the age of AI, it's even easier. So one of the things that you may want to think about is to use not just the skills you know, but the fact that you now know how to learn, because you'll have to learn forever. Because they say that once upon a time, if you knew a skill, like putting a horseshoe on a horse or some such thing, you could ride on it for the rest of your life with that one skill. So then they said, if you knew later on, a few years later, if you knew Excel to some level, you could ride on it for a few years, then you'd have to take refresher courses, learn new skills along the way, and so on. And now they say that the half-life of a skill that you have is about a couple of years at best. So which means that you'll have to do lifelong learning all the time. And that's why what you've done over here will really be helpful, because don't think of this as some end of a journey. This is just the beginning, because you'll have to keep learning forever in terms of trying to see what to do in the future. And I think with the kind of attitude that you can help develop, and this is where my plea is, try to be as helpful to as many people as possible, especially people who may not be able to access the skills themselves, right? So use the skills that you have to help both the people and the planet in terms of looking ahead. And also in terms of a lot of the uncertainty that's there looking ahead, don't be afraid of it. Embrace it, because this is something that I think it's all about attitude, and it's with the kind of ways in which you can adapt with the skills that you have. There's a lot of things that you can do that you can be useful to many people, going ahead. And it's really important for you to, ask yourself, as I tell our team, I've had a little team at the bank we call our kids, Knowledge, Information and Data Services Help Desk. So we tell them, look, it's not important to show how smart you are, right? It's important to make other people smarter. So keep that attitude in mind in terms of trying to see if you can help other people become smarter with the knowledge that you have, and so that you can help solve some of these big problems that are there around the world, and to try and see how you can work with other people and collaborate and keep learning both hard skills and soft skills over time. But today, it's your big day, so please don't forget at the end of this long day to celebrate your big day and to look forward to the to not only the look back at the achievements that you've done, and your families must be really proud of all of your achievements that you've done so far. And I'm sure you'll make them much more proud of all the achievements that you have lined up ahead in the future as well. So I just wanted to make sure that whether you're going into further grad school or doing a job in civil engineering or in some fashion startup or whatever it is that you want to work on, keep it something where you can think about new ways to use the information that you have, the skills that you have, and also keep learning over time in terms of trying to see how you can become a better version of yourself every day, so that the version tomorrow will always be better than the version today. So all the best in going ahead into the future and facing this new world, and all the best in terms of trying to make the biggest difference that you can with the skills that you have and that you will learn in the future. Thanks.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. I'm sure our students are enlightened with your words. Finally, the most anticipated moment of the evening has arrived, the presentation of prizes and distribution of degrees to our graduates. Who? As your names are announced, I request the prize winners and graduates to kindly proceed to the dais in the order in which you are called to receive your prizes and degree certificates. May I now request our chief guest, Dr. Nagaraja Rao Harshadeep, to kindly present the prizes to the prize winners. We will now start with the student award winners for their academic distinction. The Institute Merit Prize, the gold medal for the student with the best academic record in civil engineering of the MTech degree program, and Srimati Jayalakshmi and Sri R. Narasimhan Prize, the silver medal for the student with the best academic record in MTech civil engineering. Both goes to Megha R. Raj. Institute Merit Prize, the gold medal for the student with the best academic record in the civil engineering of the BTech degree program goes to Deepanshu Panda. The Institute Merit Prize Silver Medal for the student with the best academic record in Construction Technology and Management in Civil Engineering of the MTech degree goes to Aladwar Sarthak Sachin. Institute Merit Prize, the Silver Medal for the student with the best academic record in Geotechnical Engineering stream in Civil Engineering of the MTech program goes to Kavinaya T.R. Bhagyalakshmi and Krishna Iyengar Award, the silver medal from Mr. Sudhir Sitaram Krishna for the scholar with the best PhD project work in the area of pollution abatement goes to Ilanchelian D. Dr. N.R. Dave Prize, the silver medal from Sri Nandakumar Dave for the student with the best academic record in civil engineering of the dual degree program goes to Rane Adarva Girish. Subramanian Rajalakshmi Indra Endowment Prize from Mr. Indra Subramaniam for the student with the best BTech interdisciplinary project. The silver medal goes to Atmadeep Goswami. The Institute Merit Prize for the student with the best academic record in transportation engineering in civil engineering of the MTech program goes to Shaktiman Mahato. Let's give a big round of applause to all the prize winners. Now, the head of the department and the former head of the department, along with the chief guest, will distribute the degrees to the graduates as their names are read out. We will first start with PhD graduates. Tushar Kantapati. Kiritika Ishwari. Suresh Babu Karuppanan. Ganta Anusha. Rajaguru R. Chakravartula B. Ajay Mani Teja. Shakti Chitra. Shruti R. Krishnan. Mamata M. Ganesha Nayak R. Anand N. Arumugham D. Arbin Raj. Reshma R. Nila Kanmani. Samantula Ramakrishna. Bhesh Kumar Karki. Sudhakar Darla. Nasia Tasin Imran. Arun Nair. Tokala Divya. Vishnu T. Unni. Raj Prabhu A. Sunny Mishra. Pooja. Yogita. Haimavadi Annapurna. Siddharth PC. Sri Lakshmi yes. Anandaraj L. Kirti VT. Atira MK. Rajagopal MS. Thara MV. Risana Salim. Ankit Patel. Saket Ranjan. Akshat Shrivastava. Renu. Nitish Kumar. Rohan Deb. Alakananda Ghosh. Meera Shyam. Vipina TV. Saptarshi Bose. Umesh Hule. Saranya Devi D. Adari Sai Vivek. Shiladitya Mandal. Shubham Meher. Abhinaya Yal. Garimella Venkata Kaulini. Wasim Nias Munshi. Vislavat Haripan. Manu P. Raj. Bhavesh Banjare. Let's give a big round of applause to all our PhD graduates. Now we move on to MS graduates. Vel Murugan. Lakshmi Prabha. Anurupa Das. Debangshu Mistry. Ayushi Yaduvanshi. Let's give a big round of applause to all of our MS graduates. Now we move on to MTech graduates. Aman. Pavan Gautam. Rahul Sharma. Shailesh Yadav. Adesh Kumar Pandey. Faris M.A. Pachikolla Preetham Sai. Banotu Rajendra. Rakoti Devaki Nandan. C. Ritika. Shah Sagar. Shivendra Kumar Gupta. Surala Bhaskara Rao. K. Yamini. Abhishek Baita. Adul Sanju C. Pullepu Ahindra Sai. Aishwarya Dwivedi. Banoth Dora Babu. Chintalapalle Bhanu Prakash. Tola Bharadwaj. Buri Nischala. Deepak Konsam. Saksham Garg. Abhinant Valsraj C. Aishwarya K. Aman Kumar Singh. Humaira Hafreen. Kavin Yam. Karthik Yes. Mansi Sanjay Khade. Netra Yes. Bhangre Prathamesh Shekhar. Akhinepalli Satvik Chandra. Shivakumar Suratani. Bali Boyna Varshik. Amrutendu C. Bandi Ananda Lakshmi Krishnapriya. Kunapareddy Ashtalakshmi. Ganesh Bhukya. Hridaya Joseph. Rahul Sinha. Ajay Kuchi. Akshit Kumar Haldwani. Pol Ashwin Prakash. Cheguri Santosh Kumar. Chetan K. Dibba Charan Kumar. Divyam Garg. Jayant RC. Karthik A. Kamble. Kumari Shravya. Nambu Vijay R. Paul Daniel J. K. Rajkumari Varsha. Saparapu Rakesh. Ravina V. K. Sai Charan Reddy. Parale Utkarsh Vasant. Vantala Madhavi. Bhadra Yes. Duleshwar Kumar. Farooq Naushad. Harish Junaid Akhtar. Khet Arshvardhan Shivram. Kompalli Kiran Reddy. Nandakishore K. Nerella Jagadish. Oh, sorry. I didn't see. Beg your pardon. Nerella Jagadish. Nishta Dugal. Rashwant S.R. Maheria Ria Gansham Bhai. Vinayak S. Jaladi Yohit. Sandra Omanakuttan. Adepu Bhartwaj. Amira Samad TA. SV Anita Devi. Patil Anushka Jagdish. Farah Hanif. Goru Dinesh Kumar. Harinivas J. Kapil Chahar. Kaushal Singh Kushwaha. Manojit Bhattacharya. Meesala Lokesh Kumar. Nagala Appala Naidu. Nivedita KS. Priyansh Gaurav. Ranjita Yes. CS Shambhu. Sanchana Yes. Shalini Yes. Shashwat Kant. Sri Lakshmi Yes. Shri Akash Yes. Shri Ganesh R. Shweta C. Lewis. Titti Sai Kumar. Let's give a big round of applause to all our MTech graduates. Now we move on to dual degree graduates. Akshay Pratap Singh. Anirudh Nandakumar. Anuj Chaube. Apurva Prashant. Bhanu Kiran Verma. Burde Pushkal Rajendra. Jannu Mahesh Kumar. T.K. Jaya Hariraj. Kurian Sebi. Yadav Pranav Krishnakant. Ram Parameshwar Menon. Saptarshi Pramanik. Smita Pandey. Let's give a big round of applause to all our dual degree graduates. Finally, we move on to BTech degree graduates. Vishnu Molakala Venkata Sandeep. Sailesh Kumar T. Albert Benny. Kandregula Venkata Sriram. Syed Riaz. Akhilesh Mehra. Sadanala Taraka Raja Fanindra. Mahavir Pankaj Khajanchi. Radha Agrawal. Sai Kameshwari Navya Pakanati. Kondapalli Harshavardhan Naidu. Sitalam Aditya Venkata Sriram. K. Vetrivel. Jangam Venkata Sai Sudhir. Yes, Kirtishwar. Bheri Jnaneshwara Sai. Rohit Kumar Mokhara. Burra Alekhya. Balivada Renuka. Dhulipudi Geetika. Mandapati Prem Kumar. Golla Mandala Sumant. Rauri Kuladeep. Chittitotti Aditya. Konda Shrestha. A. Ganesh. Dilip Kumar. Tana Hutto. Kastevad Rutuja Govindrav. Adarsh Kumar. Thank you. Thank you. Ayush Anuj Chaudhary. Adappa Nagaraju. Aditya Shankar Deshpande. Akshita Ananda. Alsala Ahmed. Anantu S. Pai. Ank Badanlal Maurya. Anshu Mehulbhai Patel. Arvind Vidyashankar. Balaka Chandraditya Kirit. Boga Navdeep. Chintalagattu Haisak. Chirra Nihita Reddy. Debanjan Guha. Devansh Bharadwaj. Dikshant Agarwal. Abhishek Sanjay Duseja. Gajjala Sanjeev Nathan. Garapati Abhinav. George Abraham Chikku. Harshit Gondi. Jeff Thomas Joseph. Chuchar Singh Amarjit Singh Channa. Kalla Tabu Venkata Indumati. కరుటూరి హేమనాగ వెంకట సత్యదుర్గ, కొంబతుల పద్మభూషణ్, కుమ్మరి ఆర్య, కుమ్మరి సాయి హసిత, కుండూరు కార్తిక్ రెడ్డి, మందపాటి వర్షిత, మసాడే ఆదర్శ్, మట్టా శ్రీరామ్, మేహుల్ ఎన్ అనిల్, మేకల వెంకట సాయి భార్గవ కుమార్ రెడ్డి, మెరుగు సాత్విక్, ముప్పర్తి సొనాలి, పి ముత్తు సంచయ్, నాగిరెడ్డి విశ్వక్సేన రెడ్డి, నవీన్ కుమార్ ఎం, నిర్వైర్ కుమార్ చౌదరి, నునావత్ శశాంక్ నాయక్, ఓం యాదవ్, పార్థ్ అశుతోష్ బాజ్పాయ్, పత్ర నిఖిల సౌమ్య, పీయూష్ డాల్మియా, పొనుగుమాట్ల వేణుగోపాల్ రాజ్, ప్రశాంత్ బరన్వాల్, ప్రతిష్ఠా గుప్తా, ప్రవీణ్ రవి, ప్రేమ్ రాజశేఖర్ ముక్కన్నవర్, రమేష్ చంద్ర యామర్తి, రెడ్డి సృజన్, రౌత్ భరత్ నాగేష్, Lobo Ryan Dominic. Samarth KJ. Sambhavi Roy. Shanbak Sarvesh Shailesh. Shreyas Raghavendra Rao. Siddharth Sharma. Soham Nirmesh Gandhi. Shrujan S. Kurakundi. Suddagani Jashwant. Suknale Ajay Kumar. Yeah. Swami Shivrudra Shivling. Swaroop Rati. Tondu Yashwant Raghav Reddy. Torri Varun Kumar. Unta Vamsi. Vantakula Akila. Vedesh Yes. Veeresh Ye. Vekhande Aditya Avinash. Vikas Singh Tomar. Vishnu Vijayaraj. Yashika Sahu. Yashvardhan. Yesarla Pavan Kumar. Yogesh Singh. Naman Jaiswal. Let's give a big round of applause to all of our B.Tech degree graduates. We have few more graduates. In the PhD graduate, Shaumik Mitra. Manashi Tripathi. Finally, a B.Tech graduate, Guddanti Venkata Kavyashri. Thank you. With this, we conclude the degree distribution to the graduates. We shall now hear from three of our distinguished award recipients through a pre-recorded video message as they reflect on their journey at IIT Madras and share their thoughts with the graduating class. To begin, I invite Mr. Deepanshu Panda, the gold medal winner from the undergraduate degree program, to address the gathering.
Hello everyone. A very good evening to all the guests, esteemed faculty, my fellow graduates and all of their proud families. I am Deepanshu Panda, a student of the Department of Civil Engineering. Oh, I apologize. A graduate from the Department of Civil Engineering, as we all can now proudly call ourselves. I stand here today with immense honor, having received this prize and getting this opportunity to address all of you from the stage of our convocation. Standing here today makes it feel surreal when I look back at the excellent 4 years that I spent in this campus, in the halls of BSB, in Saraswati Hostel. It all feels surreal. I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the Department of Civil Engineering because my journey has been truly career defining. Whether it be the core intensive labs or diving deep into the fundamentals of this discipline, the department constantly pushed me to explore the subject beyond the textbooks. I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to all of the excellent faculty that we have here. Without your incredible support system, this journey would not have been fruitful. I would like to mention the names of Ravukant sir, Lalita ma'am, Bhargava Rama sir, my project guide Shri Parvati ma'am, and my faculty advisor Alagappan sir. Your teachings, your guidance, and your research aptitude helped me in understanding my own intellectual curiosity that I would like to hold on to for the rest of my life. The exposure that this department has given me will continue to fuel my future ambitions in my professional as well as educational life. I would like to thank all of the laboratory technicians that we have over here. They ensure the seamless functioning of our enormous labs behind the scenes without taking much credit. So thank you. I would like to thank all of my friends, my wing mates, my hostel mates. Thank you for creating endless memories with me across the campus. I will always remember those late night chats, those late night discussions. And finally, I would like to thank the guiding lights of my life. Their unconditional love and support has shaped the foundation of my life, my parents. I will always be grateful to you. As we step out of this hall and into the next chapters of our life, as we take up numerous jobs in different parts of the world, I would like to say this on behalf of all of us. I say this with immense pride and gratitude that I am an alumnus of this department and this institute of IIT Madras. To all my fellow graduates, I would like to wish the best of luck for the days that lie ahead, but I also hope that we'll remember the good old days. Thank you.
Next, I invite Ms. Megha R. Raj, the gold medal winner from the MTech degree program, to address the gathering.
Hello everyone, my name is Megha R. Raj and I have completed my MTech program in Environmental Engineering from Department of Civil Engineering, IIT Madras. So when looking into my 2-year MTech journey with the Department of Civil Engineering, I am confident to say that this has been one of the most rewarding phase of my life. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my parents and my family because the support, encouragement and the trust they have laid in me have always been my greatest strength. Every achievement, whatever I celebrate today, belongs to them as much as it does to me. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to the head of our department as well as to my faculty advisor for their constant support and guidance. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to my MTech project guide, Dr. Tanushree Parsai. More than a project guide, she was like a very good friend to me, and her patience, insightful feedbacks, and support have shaped not only my research but also the way I approach problems. I'm truly grateful to have had such a supportive mentor. Thank you so much, ma'am. Furthermore, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my MTech project co-guide as well as to all faculty members of our department. One thing I remember is how approachable our faculty members were. Those were always open and they never hesitated to clear our doubts or encourage us to push beyond our limits. Our department also gave me a lot of opportunities far beyond our classroom lectures. From carrying out meaningful research to my internship at Bangalore Water Supply and Sewerage Board, every experience, whatever came across me, helped me develop as an engineer as well as a researcher. I was also fortunate to receive the Institute Merit Award and incredibly grateful for the opportunities and recognition during my time here. These exposures have also played a significant role in helping me begin my professional journey as a sustainability reporting analyst at ExxonMobil. I'll always cherish the memories, the friendships, and the lessons I take with me from our department. Once again, thank you, and I wish all my fellow graduates every success in years ahead. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Finally, I invite Dr. Saptarishi Bose, recipient of the Best PhD Thesis Award, to address the gathering.
To the chief guest, professors, parents and graduating students. I am Saptarishi Bose. It's an honor to represent the PhD scholar from Department of Civil Engineering. Today is not just a day for completion of a degree, rather it's a day for the celebration of a journey which shaped us what we are today. When I first came to IIT Madras, I came with curiosity and ambition. Today I live with knowledge, resilience, lifelong friendship and the confidence to take any challenge. Some of the fondest memories are those late nights when experiments failed and we need to start all over again in the next morning. That taught me sometimes perseverance is much more important than the intelligence. I was also fortunate enough to receive various recognitions including Best Thesis Award, IR Award, PMRF and several others. I was also fortunate to represent IIT Madras in international levels in USA and Australia. These milestones are not only just mine, they are the reflection of the unwavering support from my PhD supervisor, Dr. Madhav Kumar, the support from Civil Engineering Department, faculty members, fellow researchers, friends, as well as the Environmental Engineering Division, which provided the ground to learn and grow. I would also like to thank our present HOD sir as well as past HODs for their valuable contribution. My PhD supervisor, Dr. Madhav Kumar, didn't answer directly. Rather, he encouraged me to think independently and to give value more to the curiosity than the results. The Department of Civil Engineering taught me that research is not about only publishing papers or the awards, but it's about asking meaningful questions and to give impactful solutions to the society. Years from now, I may forget the number of experiments, but I will never forget the people who believed in me and the place which taught me to dream bigger than I ever thought even possible. This IIT Madras will always be more than alma mater to me. It will always be my home. Thank you.
Thank you Deepanshu, Megha and Saptarishi. It's time to felicitate our chief guest. Now I request the head of the department, Professor Saravanan, and the former head of the department, Professor Benny Raphael, to felicitate our chief guest with a memento and a bouquet. we have now come to the conclusion of this graduation ceremony. On behalf of the Department of Civil Engineering at IIT Madras, I extend our heartfelt congratulations once again to all graduates. We sincerely thank each one of you for joining us and making this occasion a truly memorable one. We wish you a safe journey home, and once again our very best wishes for your bright future ahead. And now I request everyone to rise for the national anthem, following which there will be an announcement for photograph session. I request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
We'll quickly have a photograph session now. Firstly, I request the faculty members to please come to the dais. We will have this program by program. So firstly the prize winners, then the PhD, MS, MTech, and then BTech. So firstly, I request the faculty members to come quickly to the dais. We don't have much time left. I request the faculty members at the back also to join in the dais. Professor Madhav Chinka Kalai, Professor Lakshmi Priya, Professor Meher Prasad, Professor Ramamurthy, Professor Manu Santanam. All civil engineering faculty, please join in the dais. I request the PhD students to form a line in the ground. Firstly, the prize winners also. Okay. Please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment. The prize winners. I request the prize winners to form the line in the ground. We don't have much time. Sorry. Yeah. The prize winners to form the line in the ground, please. Quickly. It's a PhD. Thank you. I request the PhD graduates to quickly join. Thank you. Thank you. The PhD graduates are requested to form a line in the ground. All PhD graduates. The next is MS students, please be ready. The next batch is MS, please be ready. Thank you. Now I request MS graduates to please join. Division by division shall we have? Okay, I request the MS students to form a line quickly. Okay, that's it. I request the MTech graduates now to join us. MTech graduates, all divisions, please quickly join.
BTech has gone, I think.
See, after MTech, MS, sorry, dual degree.
Dual degree. After MTech, dual degree students, please be ready. Come.
It's not loud enough.
After MTech, dual degree graduates, please be ready. All MTech graduates, please join quickly. I don't think so. Can you like this?
Yeah, see.
All MTech graduates, please join. BTech, 2 batches.
How do you display?
The first Mumbai and the will stop. Are we done with the MTech students?
You will not be able to control BTech, you won't be able to control. How do you say roll number wise? No, I want to be with my friend. Not roll number. Sir, get. It's okay. You come here.
It's okay.
Thank you guys. Now, dual degree, no? Dual degree students, please join. Dual degree.
And BTech students, be ready after this.
Dual degree students. Sir, if you.
No, you go ahead.
I think we are done with the DD students. This is all we have for the dual degree. Sir, photographer, sir, please finish the dual degree. Thank you, guys. Now we have B.Tech students. Please join. We'll see how we can do. Please join. I think we can do one more batch. Huh? Shall we do one more batch for B.Tech?
No, let this finish. Don't call again. Don't call again. Let this go, and then we'll ask, is there anybody?
Is there anybody?
That's all.
B.Tech students, quick. B.Tech students, quick, come. Make a bigger circle, make a bigger circle. Hey, make a bigger circle.
Please give way for the photographer. All right. You have to vacate the room. Okay. Thank you so much. Now, office people, please. Office people want a photograph. Sorry. Office people want one last photograph. Sorry. Office staffs.
That we can take.
One last photo for the office staff. With that, we are done. I request the B.Tech students to give way for the office staff. And the volunteers also. The last picture is this. B.Tech students, please give way. Thank you so much. I think we all have to leave the venue soon. All volunteers, all staffs from civil engineering, please join. All staffs, office staffs, volunteers, please join for the last picture for the night.
Let everybody come on the dais.
Sir, please come to the dais. The staffs, please come to the dais. The volunteers, please make a row anywhere. Yeah, I think it's better because the dais is full. Volunteers, please form a line in the ground. Staffs, please join us in the dais.
All student volunteers, staff members, please come forward. Is everybody here?
That is all. Student volunteers, please join soon.
Student volunteers, please come forward. All staff members, please come forward. Go, go, go.
That's it. I think we are ready. Come. We are ready.
It's okay. You go ahead. We have to take all this. You have to come from. Come. Everybody is there. Close.
We have to leave the venue,
Yeah.
for the individual pictures.
Announce that there's one starting in half an hour, so everybody need to leave.
Thank you, everyone. So we close this ceremony. here, and I request everyone to slowly leave the venue because there is another ceremony, convocation ceremony here at starting at within half an hour. So we need to leave the space in nice condition and slowly, leave through the exits. Have a safe journey back home.
I'll take it.